Mahilig ka ba sa salted egg dishes at gusto mo is budget-friendly version na sobrang creamy, flavorful at sigurado mapaparami ang kain mo? Hi, it's me, Aimee, and today gagawa tayo ng salted egg tofu. First, ipat-dry muna natin yung tofu using paper towel para matanggal yung excess moisture. Kapag okay na, hiwain lang natin into bite-sized pieces. Kapag nahiwa na natin lahat ng tofu, pwede na nating i-coat sa cornstarch. And next, ay ipiprito natin yung tofu hanggang maging golden brown at crispy. Pwede nyo ding i-double fry to add crispiness. Then later, pag naluto na lahat, iset aside muna natin. While waiting, let's make our sauce. Separate lang natin yung laman ng salted egg sa shell. Then, kapag okay na, i-mash lang natin yung salted egg hanggang maging pino. On a low-medium heat pan, magisa lang tayo ng onion at garlic hanggang maging fragrant. Then, lagyan natin ng butter hanggang matunaw. Next, ilagay natin yung mashed salted egg, then isunod natin yung all-purpose cream. Haluin lang ng mabuti hanggang maging smooth at creamy. Timplahan lang natin ng salt and pepper, then lagyan ng konting fish sauce at sugar para mabalanse yung alat at magkaroon ng konting sweetness. Haluin lang natin ng mabuti at hayaan lang natin itong mag-simmer hanggang maluto at kumapal ng bahagya yung sauce. Kapag ready na yung sauce, idagdag na natin yung crispy tofu. Haluin lang natin hanggang makoat lahat ang tofu ng creamy salted egg sauce. Next, pwede na natin ilagay yung spinach or pwede ding kangkong kung anong preferred nyo. Then, mix lang until well combined, tsaka takpan para maluto yung gulay. Ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section yung exact measurements na ginamit ko for this recipe. And that's it! Ready to serve na ang ating salted egg tofu. Crispy, creamy, at loaded with salted egg goodness. Perfect na perfect yung ulam sa mainit na kanin. Try nyo na din for another ulam idea. So ayun lang, and don't forget to like, share, and follow my page for more recipe. See you on my next video. Bye!